Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix still receiving calls on DND do not disturb mode in iPhone. So here is the fix. Identify the focus mode. Determine which focus mode is currently active. So for this, go to your device settings. Now navigate to focus. Tap on focus. Turn on do not disturb. Turn it on. Now manage allowed people. Tap on people and manage allowed people. Now remove any unwanted contact from the list. For example, if you have added some contact and you still do not want them to disturb you, remove them. Now disable repeated calls. Look for the option allow repeated calls in do not disturb. This option allow repeated calls. So if you have this option, simply turn it off. If you don't want to receive repeated calls from the same person within 3 minutes, turn off this option. Verify changes. Ensure that the changes you have made are saved and applied, and this will fix your problem. See you in next tutorial.